Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm another box break guy, coming back with some more Dawn of the Z Legends, our second booster box. Let's dive right in. All right, booster box number 2. This will be quicker than the first opening. You know how we do. You look for a God Pack. If it's not a God Pack, we reveal the last 2 cards only now, since we did the whole box the last time. So if you're interested in seeing every single card of those comments, check out the prior video and you will see it. Box topper is an SR Rush Attack Vegeta. All right. Right, left, back and forth. Drop back, no. West Kai Impending Clash Common Foil. Regular rare. Omega Shenron Assimilating Evil. Dark King Mechakubra Imminent Annihilation Rare Foil. A regular rare Son Gohan Facing New Foes. Son Goku Trainings Beginning Common Foil. And a super rare Son Goku versus Pakuhan Dead Heat. Ooh. All right, Oceanus Shenron Assembling Evil Common Foil. Regular rare Great Ape Son Goku Instincts Unleashed. North Kai Here to Cheer Uncommon Foil. Regular rare Sarda North Galaxy Warrior. All right. Hoping we can get Secrets Gods before we finish the entire case. Be able to save some boxes would be ideal. Chi-Chi Promise Fulfilled Common Foil. A regular rare Cooler Calculating Warrior. Now I mentioned last video that the premium pack set box I ordered is now actually on the way. So I just want to provide an update. That should be here soon. So I don't know if the next video I'm going to do another booster box, or if we're just going to go, hey, let's open the whole premium pack set. Not sure yet. At one point, we will be doing that. One sit down. SS Bardock Common Foil. And a super rare Son Goku Another World Blitz. I don't think we've gotten duplicates yet. I mean, that's the good thing. It's bound to happen. When you open as many boxes as we're going to do here, you're going to get them. Cracked Dragon Ball Common Foil. And another super rare. Oh no. There we go. Box topper copy. Man, how many times has that happened to me? And for those of you who've been sticking around with the channel for a while, you've seen that. You've seen that happen multiple times. Always unfortunate when it happens. Piccolo Facing New Foes, Uncommon Foil. That is awesome looking. Look at that. This is just an uncommon foil. Not a super rare, not a special rare. And that holo looks awesome. And a regular rare, Son Goku, Krillin, and Yamcha, Turtle School Inheritors. That's probably going to be a cool one too, so if we get that in a foil form. Grade 8 Borgus, Saiyan Potential, uncommon foil. And a regular rare Grade 8 Toa, Saiyan Potential. Cell Awakening of the Created, rare foil. Rare Bardock Saiyan Warrior. Let's do a pack check. Make sure I'm even here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got messed up along the way somewhere. Pilaf, Shu, and Mai in Madcap Miscalculation, common foil. And a special rare Gogeta Triumphant Together. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That looks amazing. That's awesome looking. I think even the last box we had a couple of Gogetas super rares though, and they were awesome looking. I mean, outside of the God Rare and the Secrets, Gogeta might be where it's at in this box. Or this set, rather, sorry. Pan, United Emotion, rare foil. Pakuhan, testing the opposition. Pan common foil, and a super rare Piccolo Jr. Faded Rival. That I think we got last time. That stinks, getting a duplicate in the second box. Vegeta Searching for Rivals, rare foil. Regular rare, Dark King Michikubra, Imminent Annihilation. Beerus the Visitor, uncommon foil. Regular rare, Rage Shenron, Impenetrable Evil. Oh no. Dark Broly, Heartless Berserker, common foil. And a special rare Son Goku Another World Blitz. So here we go. That's one of those where it has the special rare and super rare variation. And we got them both in the same box. Special rare definitely looks a lot sicker. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we got our 2 specials and 4 super rares so far. So we're guaranteed at least 1 more super rare. Can't write off a secret or God rare yet because they can be in the same box as 2 specials. So we'll see. Son Goku, Skills Improved, uncommon foil. Regular rare, Grade 8 Bardock Saiyan Potential. 6 packs to go, at least 1 hidden here. Demon God, Shroom, and Demon God Salsa, Imminent Annihilation, uncommon foil. Rare Omega Shenron, Assimilating Evil. Great 8 Fascia, common foil. Rare Frieza, Resurrected Ambition. Grade 8 Taurus, Saiyan Potential, rare foil. And a regular rare Gotenks Beyond Sirius. Saiyan's Willpower common foil, and a super rare Son Goku Evolved Defender. I think that might have been one we got last box too, not sure. You know, the further along we go and start knocking off the list of cards we have, we will start, just like we did last set, to show them at the beginning of the video so you all can follow along exactly what we need to complete the set. So we will do that at some point. Demon God Shroom Dark King's Vanguard uncommon foil, and then a Demon God Demigra Begrudging Ally. Last pack. We have all of our guaranteed hits, so not expecting a secret or God, but it could be here. Do we have last pack Magicness? Cooler Calculating Warrior, rare foil, and regular rare Son Goku Awakened Onslaught. All right, recap starting off with our box topper. Rush Attack Vegeta, super rare. Son Goku Evolved Defender, super rare. Son Goku Another World Blitz, special rare. Piccolo Jr. Faded Rival, super rare. A Gogeta Triumphant Together, special rare. Rush Attack Vegeta again, super rare. Son Goku Another World Blitz, super rare variation. And then Son Goku versus Pakuhan, Dead Heat, super rare. All right, 2 boxes in so far. Still just as excited as I was when I first opened it. This set's artwork is awesome. I love the new changes. I know I called them out last video where we have the like glitterish look on the foils and then like the kind of cracked ice look on the super rares and up. So still loving everything we're getting so far. And hey, we got 10 booster boxes to go. So we're guaranteed at least 2 secrets. Hopefully one of them will be a God rare instead. And then again, that premium pack set box is coming. So super excited for that too. You know, last time with Realm of the Gods, how much we opened, right? We opened, I think, a pack of 10 at one time, a pack of 8 one time. We were able to pull a secret out of there. So never know what's going to happen with premium pack sets. Can't sleep on them as well. But I appreciate you stopping by as always. Thanks for checking out the channel. If you like what you saw, please consider subscribing. Turn on notifications to be updated when I'm dropping videos just like this. Until next time, have a great night.